morning, welcome back to the channel. And today on Me and My Travels we are off to Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve. I was planning on going somewhere else today, but I've just checked the maps and it's actually closed, so I've had to do a quick scan of the internet and find somewhere else to go. So we're off there. It's about an hour, it's just outside Wolverhampton, so yeah, about 58 minutes on the bike. So we'll see what happens when we get there. I'll see you very soon, guys. Hopefully a nice picturesque beautiful place. Right guys, we made it. Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve. It's nice and peaceful, nice and quiet. The road ahead is closed, but I'm assuming you can get through that way. The opening times on a Sunday, which today is 10 AM till 4 PM. I think there's a calf. Oh, actually it's behind me, just up this road here, so I might pop in there on the way back, just grab me a coffee or something, we'll see. So we're going to take a ride forward and see what's about. So you never know what you might find on Me and My Travels. As you can see, guys, this is Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve. With all the rain we've had in the last 48 hours, some of it's completely flooded and underwater. I was going to take a way through that, but it ain't happening, bruv. So we're going to go find another route. Yeah, we might be a little bit stranded. Oh dear. They've got goddamn Christmas trees growing in this woods. How cool is that? A bloody Christmas tree. Look. Christmas tree just growing. How awesome. Look at this place. Wood, forest, relaxation, chill out. It's a bit nippy. Not gonna lie, my hands are cold, but I'm enjoying every minute of it. It's just starting to rain, guys. I was promised no rain today, which is why I decided to come out, but hey ho, it is what it is. There's plenty of forestry to hide under. Beautiful place. Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful views, nice lake. Awesome place to just come, chill and relax. Right guys, that was Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve. Hope you enjoyed that little ride round, visiting the lake, seeing the animals. Just a nice, relaxed, chill out day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully see you all at the next one. Cheers guys.